Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6A and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on more settings and tap on install apps from external sources. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, like in my case to install some content. And of course you can change it, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. And of course it works the same with all other apps. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.